Hey everybody, this is Peter and welcome to my kitchen. Well, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the latest model of the Ninja Possible Cooker Pro Plus with the new Smart Cook adapter or Smart Cook system. I've had several of these over the years, but this one kind of intrigued me. So I'm going to tell you all about it. You ready? Me too. Let's go. Okay, let's get into the unboxing of this Ninja Possible Cooker. Now let me tell you, I've had several of these slow cookers by Ninja over the years. I had one years ago that was kind of their newest thing. That was about 10 years or so ago. Basically, it sat on my kitchen shelf for a long time. I rarely used it. Then I got into the Ninja Foodi systems. You know, the one that had the air fryer, the lid that kind of connected in like this, and you couldn't take the lid off. And so that I had that for a long time. And that also did several functions. And then they came out with the latest one, which was the Ninja Foodi, which had the removable lid. Remember that? Yeah. I still have a couple of those, I think, or maybe I have one left. I think I gave the other one away to somebody else. So this one is the Possible Cooker. It's kind of their slow cooker. This one has had several generations over the years too. I have bought 3 of these now, and I've given 2 of them away to other people. When I saw this one, it intrigued me, and that's because of their new Smart Cook system, which is basically their thermometer that you put into your meat under the slow cooker. That intrigued me because inevitably, whenever I cook something in a slow cooker, especially if it has chicken breast, the chicken breasts get way overcooked, and that to me, that Smart Cook system was something I was very interested in trying. So let's do an unboxing of this to see what's all inside. Now they say this system will do slow cook, sear and saute, bake, braise, proof. That's a good one to me too because I do a lot of bread. Steam, make rice. I love that because I make a lot of rice in my Ninja Combi. The pasta, it'll cook oats, it'll keep things warm, and it will sous vide. That's kind of interesting too, especially since this one has an 8.5 quart insert. That's kind of interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, so here it comes with the lid. And I'll take the lid out. Looks like they've taped this in pretty well too. Well, here's the lid that it comes with. This is the metal piece right here. That's going to be interesting to see if this gets hot. We'll find out. This is where also, I believe, it's over here. This one is where the temperature probe goes into. I'm really intrigued by that. Like all Ninja models, it comes with the guide, and then it comes with a cooking guide to give you some ideas, kind of an idea guide. So that's interesting, and I'll go through and be looking at a few of those as well. These are always kind of fun. I like these. All right, I'll put this aside. See what we have here. This is the temperature probe. So this is the piece I think that intrigues me the most, is that piece right there. So with the temperature probe, oh yeah, it's got the connector. It has the connector right here, which connects into the cooker. And then this piece just comes out just like that. And that will insert into the lid and go down into the meat that you're cooking. This to me is probably the reason that I bought this, to be honest with you. I thought it was very interesting and I want to try that out and see how it does. Inside we have a steamer insert, which is this. Now this is the cooking vessel. What's also interesting about this is that you can put this into the oven up to 500 degrees. So that's also interesting. So you could be cooking something in a slow cooker, and then you could put some toppings on top like cheese or some breadcrumbs or something. put it into your oven up to 500, and that will toast that items or melt those cheeses for you. So that's pretty cool too. Let me set that aside. You can also take that, so they say, right to the table, so you could be serving right from the slow cooker, right from the oven, and you can put that right onto your table, which is also nice. Okay, let me get the rest of this open and I'll be right back. The next piece that comes with is this spoon, and that goes onto the lid, which I'll show you in a minute. I believe this unit is more compact than the one they had before. I seem to recall the other one being a little bit bigger than this one as far as the size of the footprint of the model. This goes right inside. The insert goes right inside here, just like that. And then you can put the steaming rack in the middle if you wish. You can put the lid on top, and then this just sits right on top, just like that. So that's how that all comes together and sits. Now right here is where you put the thermometer. It goes right in here to the side, and you can connect in, and you can be selecting temperatures and all that right through there. I am a little disappointed in that there's not a place to store this thermometer, this probe. I don't see a place here on the unit to do that. So that's a little bit of a disappointment. I guess I'll just have to keep this in the cabinet or something. But that's okay, but I've had some units before where they just kind of snapped right in. It's probably due to the length of this one. As I said before, that's the piece right there that intrigued me enough to put money forth and buy this again. And by the way, I am not supported by Ninja whatsoever or any other company. I spend my own money on these things to be showing you what they do and how they can do it. I just want to show you all the things that this can do. Here is the slow cook, sear and saute, bake, braise, proof, sous vide. You can do steam, rice, pasta, oats, and then keep warm. Over here is a preset for certain temperatures when you plug in the thermometer. Start time, you can increase the time or the doneness over here, and then you can do the temp and the protein over here. Pretty cool. Now, the next several weeks, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of different recipes that I have done here in the Ninja Possible Cooker. So that's my goal for the next couple of months. Actually, we'll be making many things in here, which I've seen some of the recipes I'm going to be cooking because I created them and they look fantastic. I appreciate you watching the video today. Thank you very much. If you've not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. It really helps me out. As a matter of fact, you can click on this QR code right over here above my shoulder, and you can subscribe to the channel right from clicking that code. See you next time. Thanks for watching.